guys, and welcome to my channel. And today's video was a very special request. Today I am going to show you guys 10 tips on how to keep your slime area clean and organized. This video was requested by Cambria, so shout out to Cambria. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina. Just so you guys know, I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. I have planned a couple of really funny skits for you guys, and I really hope you enjoy. Let's get started.
Hey Mom, I'm gonna grab a snack. Alina!
Where is all of my Tupperware? Where is it? Where? Alina!
Get this email done. Alina! Not again! Unbelievable! Ah!
Ew.
Alina!
What?
Explain yourself. Does your slime area look like this? Or this? So here are top 10 tips to help you guys keep your slime station clean and organized. Tip number 1, find an area with shelving. If you don't have access to shelving, you can also just find a spot in your room if your parents say it's okay. I wouldn't recommend keeping your slime area near carpet, but if you guys do by chance get slime on the carpet, I'll show you guys how to get it out later. I like having my slime on shelves because I like to be able to see it all, and I like to see that it's organized. Tip number 2, separate clear glue based slimes with white glue based slimes and store-bought slimes. Man, that is a tongue twister. Can't say that. Okay, I like to organize my slime by type, so I keep store-bought slimes in one shelf, clear glue slimes in one shelf, and white glue slimes in the other. And that leads me into tip number 3, is to stack similar containers. So if you have 2 of the same containers, if you stack them nicely on top of each other, it makes it look really nice and organized. That's what I found. Tip number 4, organize your Tupperware containers. I wouldn't recommend using your mom's. I have done that, so just go ahead and buy your own at the Dollar Tree. They are nice and cheap, but make sure to get your parents' permission first. So how I like to organize my Tupperware containers is I like to have 2 drawers that fit inside my shelving, one for the lids and one for the containers. I find this a lot easier to find them so they don't get lost. So it's all ready to go when I have a new fresh slime. Tip number 5, organize your slime supplies so it's ready to go. So I'm just using a clear plastic container from the dollar store. This is what I'm going to use to keep my slime supplies in. As you can see, I'm trying to put as much stuff in here as I can. I like it all in one spot so it's all ready to go. I find that if I organize all of my slime supplies in one bin, all I have to do is pull it out, so it's all ready to go when I decide to make some slime. Tip number 6, be sure when you're done making your slime to wash out your bowl immediately. So the easiest way I like to do it is to take my slime and push it around the sides of the bowl to get all the excess out. Because it is really hard to get slime out of the bowl when it is dried. Make sure that you get all of the slime off. Be sure to put all your slime supplies back where it belongs so it's ready for the next time. Be sure to wipe off the surface area as soon as you're finished as well. Tip number 7. Be sure to keep your slime station neat and tidy. When you finished playing with your slime, be sure to put everything away when you're done. Tip number 8. I'm going to show you guys how I store my activator. So the first thing I do is I boil 1 cup of hot water. Now I'm going to add a half teaspoon of borax and mix until dissolved. As soon as the hot water has cooled off, you can go ahead and use a funnel and pour it into an empty glue bottle. I found that keeping my activator in an empty glue bottle, it's a lot easier and it saves more space. Tip number 9. If you do happen to get slime on the carpet, I do have a solution I hope will help you guys. So the first thing you want to do is pull out as much slime as you can with your fingers. As soon as you've got out as much as you can, the next thing you're going to do is pour some white vinegar onto an old dish towel and start scrubbing. This process does take a while, but just keep pouring vinegar on your towel and it will eventually come out. It did take me a while, but eventually the slime came all the way out of the carpet. Okay, the last and final tip is tip number 10. Be sure to get rid of bad slime or fix it. If you find that you have a liquidy bad slime, just go ahead and throw it in the trash can. I wouldn't recommend throwing it in the sink because it could clog your drain. But if you do have a hard slime, as soon as you throw it away, you can use that container to make a new slime. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope these 10 tips really helped you guys. If it did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And I post every Wednesday, so be sure to hit that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I do have an Instagram, so if you guys like to check that out, it's alinkaloo.crafts. Bye! See you guys next week!